Hi friends, welcome to Swetha creation. Today I will show you how to make a earrings with foam sheet. We'll make a foam flowers and we'll make a jhumka and earrings. First, we require these all items: glue, jewelry making tools for jhumka, iron, punch machine, foam sheet, ribbon, some beads, scissors, ball tool, sponge. Now we will start how to do it. Punch your flowers. Now with the help of iron we'll make a cup shape and we'll attach bead in this. Heat the iron. And make a cup shape and took your ball tool and press it. It become a cup shape. Now your flowers are ready. Now stick in these beads. See, in white color I stick this blue color beads, and in blue color I stick this yellow color beads. This is the yellow color, and in this one white color. Now we prepare jhumka. Now take a ribbon and stick with this whole jhumka with this ribbon. My jhumka dome is ready now. Stick this one and cut this excess, and this one is also ready. Stick these two flowers with this. Now stick these flowers to these domes. One red, one blue, one white, one blue, one I done with these two domes with flowers, and I stick this flower Now I will put these 2 pins. This is a big hole. This is a big hole in this. That's why I am putting one stone here, moti. Now I will attach with this. With the help of jewelry tool, I made this. Now I will attach with this. Now my earring is ready. My 2 earrings are ready. Now same I made with bangle. I take a plastic bangle and I put this ribbon and I put these all flowers, and my bangle and my earrings are ready.